How to. So this is a very quick video on how to turn off your service light on your Mark III or 2008 Renault Clio. So just going to get straight into it, bring you along for the ride so you guys can reset it on your car. So first you put the ignition on. Let it cycle through its bits. So you push the little button at the end of the stalk, go around, then you hold the button down, and every 18,000 miles, and then it's off. So you just hold this button down. I don't think it actually matters which button it is until yeah, it disappears. There's another 18,000 miles until you need to service it again. Obviously you can just cycle it to wherever. And that concludes today's episode, guys. So as you can see, it is super easy. I'm not sure 18,000 miles is actually quite probable between services, so we'll probably be doing it more often than that. But if you like that video and for more content like it, please if you like that video, please subscribe, because there'll be more content like this as we go on. I do multiple other videos on the multiple other cars as well, so please check out the channel. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next episode. Cheers, guys.